Howdy, Travis from KnowHow here. In our last video, we walked through how you can use artificial intelligence to create a step-by-step process in KnowHow with a simple prompt. Today, we're pouring gasoline over the entire thing, and it is going to erupt into an artificial intelligence volcano. I know that that's not how fire works, but trust me with this, when you see it, it's going to blow your mind. We're going to take real-life video and turn that into step-by-step processes for your team. We're going to take static boring old PDFs and turn those into step-by-step processes for your teams. Let me show you how it works. All right, so we're back in KnowHow here. Familiar setting for you at this point, I'm certain. We're gonna click that plus button again, and now we finally get to do it. We get to go up to the top right and click the buttons we've been wanting to click the whole time here. This is gonna use artificial intelligence to either import a video and then use AI to turn that into a step-by-step process, or import a PDF. We're gonna do both, but I'm not gonna bury the lead here. We gotta start with the one that's most fun, at least in my opinion. Here, we're gonna upload a video. Now, this could be a step-by-step video of someone explaining how to do a flood cut, how to put on PPE. In this case, I have a video of a guy who affectionately goes by the name of Big John, and he is going to explain how to remove baseboard and trim. You can see the video here. It's a very short 2-minute video. We're gonna upload it, and John is just gonna walk through. I don't know if the sound will come through.
First step that you're gonna do before you start your demo is to pull your trim off.
Okay, I think the sound comes through. He's saying the first step you gotta do before we do our demo, we gotta remove the trim. And so John's just walking through step 1, step 2, step 3. How do we remove trim? What KnowHow's doing right now, right before our very eyes, is it is reading this video, the transcript, it's watching what's going on, and it's turning that into a step-by-step process. In just a second, it's gonna flip, and it's gonna start baking out the process to remove trim right before us. Here you go, remove trim from wall. You can see it's writing down step 1, step 2, step 3, and it's also selecting the right clip for every step along the way as well. So you can see there's 3 steps in the video that John walks through to remove the trim from the wall. First, cut the caulking joint along from the top of the trim. In this case, there's a 19-second clip that it has pulled.
Trim is going to have a caulk joint
where John is explaining how to do that. Then step 2, scrape off the excess caulk from the wall. Step 3, select and adjust the appropriate pry bar. KnowHow's AI has detected what section of the video does every step correlate with, and then gets that clip. So for your team, when they're out on the job site and they're like, what pry bar do I need to use to remove this trim? They just ask our AI, like we saw earlier in the series. It brings them to this clip, and they see the relevant 50 seconds in order for them to get the right answer. It is remarkable. It's a game changer, and it allows you to take those people on your team that are super smart, that could remove trim, detach toilets in their sleep, but are not going to sit down in front of a Microsoft Word document and write out the SOP. Now you just hold up an iPhone and you say, hey, John, we're just going to walk us through how to do a flood cut here. John does the flood cut. He's just narrating step by step all along the way. You're capturing it and you're documenting it. John has not done it once. Now you have it documented once and for all. We have the same functionality on mobile. So you can, from within the app, hold up your phone and get John to explain how he detaches a toilet and turn that into step-by-step documentation in KnowHow. Now, let's say you're someone who is more oriented at the computer. You are in the office most of the time, and you use things like QuickBooks maybe, or Xactimate, or CoreLogic's suite of tools. All you have to do, let's say, for example, I'm going to go to QuickBooks here. Let's say I'm a QuickBooks guru in my company. If you've got the KnowHow Chrome extension installed, there's a few things you can do. So if you don't have the KnowHow Chrome extension installed, let me show you the secret to downloading the KnowHow Chrome extension. You Google, ready for it, KnowHow Chrome extension. Yeah, even if you don't spell it right, I'd recommend spelling it right. You don't got it. There you go. Now you're going to see a bunch of videos of this silly guy. Up at the top, you're going to see KnowHow's Chrome extension here. Click to install that. Obviously, I already have it. And just like that, you will install the Chrome extension. Now, what do you get when you have the Chrome extension? I have this little blurb that follows me here on QuickBooks' website, and I can search at any point. So now if I'm using QuickBooks and I've got a question like, how do I add a new rule in QuickBooks? I don't even have to go to KnowHow's website. I can just ask that, and if that content's in my KnowHow Hub, it's going to give me the answer here. But let's say the content isn't yet in my KnowHow Hub. No one's created a process on how to add a new role in QuickBooks. All I have to do is hover on the little logo here and click Record a Screen Capture. What this is going to do is going to give me the opportunity to be Big John. I get to narrate step by step how to create a new role in QuickBooks. So I would click my screen, I would start narrating, hey, here's step 1, here's step 2, here's step 3. And just like it did with our buddy John here, that's going to turn that into a step-by-step process that's available for anyone on my team as well. So KnowHow's video to AI functionality makes it really easy for you, whether you're out on a job site or using software, to explain your process, explain the SOP, how we do things at our company, and put that in the hands of your team members, whether they are out on the job site and they just have the phone, or whether they're on QuickBooks' website, on Xactimate's website. They have that information in the Chrome extension. They don't even have to go to KnowHow's website in order to get the information they need to do their job well. That is KnowHow's video to AI functionality. But like I said, that's not all. We also have the ability to take any static PDF and turn it into a step-by-step process as well. And so let me show you here. You'll notice I clicked the PDF logo instead of the video logo, but I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to upload a PDF like I uploaded that video of Big John. If I've got a process that already resembles a step-by-step process in some way, shape, or form, but it's in a PDF, I can upload it here as well. So in this case, I have this Phoenix DryMax XL Quick Start Guide. It kind of looks like a step-by-step process. They say step 1, step 2, step 3, but obviously it's not in KnowHow yet. I'm going to open it. KnowHow is going to read it and turn it into a step-by-step process, again, using our same artificial intelligence tool. You can see here, set up and operate a Phoenix DryMax dehumidifier, step 1, step 2, step 3. It's all baked out here in front of me. It pulled it all from that PDF right before my eyes. All I have to do, I can edit any step if I want, or click Finalize Details. It's going to take me to that final page where I can determine who should see it or who shouldn't see it. Let's say you have a PDF that doesn't resemble a step-by-step process. Like we were talking about, operators manuals, SLAs, things like that. We'll get to that when we go deeper into Magic Docs. But you can see in just a few seconds, we were able to take real life training or static PDFs that probably no one has opened on their computer in the last 2-3 years and turn that into dynamic processes. Now that they're processes, our AI goes over top of all of it. So I can just ask, hey, why is my Phoenix air mover not working? And it's going to give me that answer. I can also translate it into Spanish or French or anything else. So I took a PDF from Phoenix, written in English, and now it's available for all my Spanish-speaking staff because it's a step-by-step process in KnowHow. Remarkable. In the next video, we're going to continue the AI hype volcano that we've been talking about, and we're going to show how KnowHow uses artificial intelligence to not only create processes, but test your workers on the content of a process. Make sure they didn't just go through and click complete, 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 but they're actually competent in what was taught because of KnowHow's artificial intelligence. So I'll see you in that video next. Thanks.